ASUS VG34WQML5A review. Is this ultrawide gaming monitor worth buying? If you want an ultrawide gaming monitor that combines immersive visuals with a seriously high refresh rate, the ASUS VG34WQML5A is an interesting option. But is 250Hz really worth it on a 34-inch ultrawide? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The ASUS VG34WQML5A is a 34-inch curved gaming monitor with a 3440 by 1440 resolution and a 21:9 aspect ratio. It uses a VA panel with a 1.5 curve, giving you a wider field of view that's particularly useful for racing games, simulations, and immersive titles. Its biggest selling point is the refresh rate. The monitor can reach up to 250 Hz through overclocking, with ASUS rating it for a 1 millisecond GTG response time. It also supports Adaptive Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium, while ELMB Sync is designed to reduce motion blur during fast gameplay. For image quality, you get a 4000:1 typical contrast ratio, up to 400 nits of brightness, HDR10 support, and 95% DCI-P3 color coverage. It also carries Display HDR 400 certification. However, this is still entry-level HDR, so don't expect the same dynamic range you'd get from a premium OLED display. Connectivity is solid with DisplayPort 1.4, 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, 3 USB-A ports, and a headphone jack. The stand offers height, tilt, and swivel adjustments, and VESA mounting is also supported. The biggest advantage is the combination of 3440 by 1440 resolution and a 250 Hz refresh rate. You get plenty of screen space while still having very smooth gaming performance. But there are some compromises. VA panels can have more motion smearing than the fastest IPS or OLED displays, and you'll also need a powerful graphics card to make full use of 250 Hz. At this resolution, overall the ASUS VG34WQML5A is a strong choice for gamers who want an immersive, ultra-wide experience with high refresh rates. For competitive esports players who prioritize the fastest possible response, a high-refresh IPS or OLED monitor may be better. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you choose this ASUS Ultrawide.